Hello, I'm Derek with A to Z Quality Fencing, and I want to talk to you about our customer appreciation on October 7th. You're likely to come out if you're a past customer, present customer, or even future customer, even if you don't know if you even want to buy a fence yet. Come out, check out what we're doing. We have food, games, prizes, a bounce house for the kids. We'll even have a fire to roast some s'mores. Come check it out, it'll be a good time. So join us on October 7th. It starts at 11 o'clock. At 1 o'clock, we'll have a bags tournament, and we're gonna have a lamb and pig roast. So it's gonna be a good day.